Cumberland Valley Classic Car Club, Car Show at America's Auto Auction. July 20th, 2025.
$199 and 201. You have those numbers, please. Come on up.
There's a Survivor.
$170, $171, $185, $196, $203,
Buick GS.
$204, $205, $207,
Chrysler Newport.
$223. If you have any of those numbers, please come on up. We're also selling 50-50 tickets. We've got
Ford Pinto.
prizes. First prize is the money, and then we got a couple of prizes after that.
Got a lot of chrome under the hood. It's real nice. I haven't seen this one around. Nice. Like it. I like it.
Yeah, that's good. Still selling 50-50 tickets. We have first prize is the money, second prize is a chair, third prize is a cooler, fourth prize is a mechanic's stool, fifth prize is a car vacuum. Sixth and seventh are car care buckets, and the eighth prize is a car care kit. So if you don't win the money, you have 7 more chances of winning something. So don't get mad if you don't win the money. Keep your ticket. 7 more chances of winning.
I just got the window sticker on this. $27.12 plus a couple add-ons. We saw a few of these cars yesterday at the show. Take a look at that video. It's Toys of Time Cruisers Car Show. It's on the YouTube page. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a comment. original car, not restored.
Unclaimed 210-210. If anybody bought 50-50 tickets and don't have them right now, come claim them. Check your pockets. If you bought some and you don't have it, come down and see us. Honesty is a good policy. '60 Lincoln Continental convertible. Guys. Okay, the next one goes to car number 10, Barb and Steve Manger, 1966 Ford Mustang convertible.
How wet did you get?
Next one goes to car 19, John Bomer, 1941 Studebaker. Next one goes to car number 20, Jay Stone, 63 Ford Falcon. Okay, number 4, Dave Riesinger, 71 Chevy Nova. Next one is number 34, Ed Beitelsbach, 67 Camaro. He's gone, but we know him. Number 21, Clayton Moore, 56 Chevy 3600. Next one, number 7, car number 7, Larry Bupp, 69 Mercury Cyclone. Next one, car number 11, Dutch DeHoog, 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. Car number 23 goes to Brian Sipling, 65 Mustang GT. Next one goes to car number 2, Larry Swank, 59 Jaguar. Next one goes to car number 6, Chris Powell, 63 Ford Falcon. Number 9, Ricky Roadcap, 1974 F100. Next one goes to car number 13, Andy Malite, 2011 Ford Mustang GT 500.
Yeah, oh boy, Andy. All right, Andy. Woo.
Car number 18, Jim O'Connell, 65 Factory 5 AC Cobra. Next is car 27, Doug Arnold, 1969 Buick, the Captain. Next one, number 30, Ron Nagel, 63 Chevy Corvair convertible. Car number 5, Kathy Powell, 63 Volkswagen Beetle Deluxe. Okay, vehicle number 8, Joe Manley 2012 Mustang GT 5.0.
Attaboy, Joe.
Next one is car number 14, Paul Harold 2022 Chevy Colorado Bison ZR2. Next one goes to car number 24, Brian Sipling, 2012 Ford Mustang CS.
I don't look good.
Yeah.
He told me, guys that own the
These awards are so cool.
Car number 29, John R. Wilson, 69 Chevy Chevelle SS. Number 43, Tiernan Berkey, 1931 Phaeton.
No, I'm gonna worry about it.
Car number 15, Steve Long, 2019 Camaro SS. Okay, Clint picked for the club pick Gus Ginner with his pickup.
Attaboy, Gus.
And number 17, Best of Show, Tom Still, 64 Chevy Chevelle.
Way to go, Lance. Hey, thanks for coming, buddy.
Hold it up, let's get a picture of you.
Look at that. That's a good one.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, it's free.